The Curious Case of the Missing Library Books. One sunny day, Detective Sam stood in the library, his eyes wide as he read the announcement about the missing books.
Oh no! We have to find those books!
Detective Sam got to work, kneeling on the floor to inspect a pile of books, looking for any clues about where they could have gone.
Maybe one of these books can help me figure it out.
Next, he approached the librarian, eager to gather more information about the missing books.
Have you seen any suspicious activity around here?
Sam decided to check the children's section, where he noticed some shelves looking unusually empty.
Where could all the books have gone?
Detective Sam found a group of kids playing and asked them if they had seen anything unusual.
Have you guys noticed any missing books? I'm on a case.
Suddenly, he spotted a colorful bookmark lying on the floor. It looked familiar.
I think this belongs to one of the missing books.
Sam examined the bookmark, noticing it had a picture of a famous book on it. This could lead him to the next clue.
Let's see where this takes me.
Using a step stool, Detective Sam climbed to the top shelf, hoping to find more clues among the tall stacks of books.
I bet the answer is up here somewhere.
To his surprise, Sam discovered a hidden stash of books behind a big, dusty encyclopedia. He couldn't believe his eyes.
Found them. But how did they get here?
After gathering the books, Sam pondered how they ended up hidden. Perhaps they were just misplaced by excited readers.
Let's return these to their proper places.
With a big smile, Detective Sam placed the books back on the shelves, making sure they were easy to find for everyone.
Now everyone can enjoy these stories again.
Sam gathered the kids and shared how important it is to read and take care of library books.
Reading opens up new worlds. Let's promise to take care of our books.
That day, Detective Sam and his friends celebrated their success by reading their favorite stories together in the library.
This is the best part of being a detective, sharing stories.